Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to measure the nail size, that is the titanium elastic nail, which is most commonly used in case of the pediatric fractures. So first, when you take the X-ray, this is the post-operative X-ray, just to show you. Now I am going to take the pre-operative X-ray. You put in the anatomical position. Okay, and now here is the scaling system given on the left side of this X-ray. So you take the ruler, which is a very commonly used ruler in which you have used in case of the class 10 or previous and like that. So you just take this ruler, and with the help of this ruler, there is a two kind of measuring system. One is the centimeter and one is the inch. So here the measurement is given in the centimeter. So you take the ruler and try to correspond with this ruler, and when you put here, like it is almost corresponds with 4 centimeters. So this is the 100% zoom. This is the X-ray taken in 100% zoom. Okay. So now you have to measure. So you don't have to measure. Sometimes this 4 centimeter corresponds with this 4 centimeter corresponds with the ruler of 2 centimeter, 3 centimeters. So you have to calculate at that time. You have to calculate the percentage accordingly. But in this case, this is 100% zoom. So you take two film is there. One is the AP and one is the lateral film. So you take the by measure the nail size. It is advised to take the canal diameter in the lateral view, and that view. So this is the lateral view, and you take the isthmus, the narrowest diameter of this bone. Where is the narrowest diameter? Is almost at the mid shaft regions. So you take the ruler and try to measure from the inside of the cortex to the other side of the cortex inside the canal. Okay. So when you put this ruler there, it is almost 3. It is almost 3, and then 3 mm. It is almost 3 mm. Okay. So one thing I like to add here that when you take the try to calculate the nail size in case of the radius and ulna, there is a 2 bone at the same side. At that time, you try to cover the 60% of the canal diameter, 60% in case of the radius and 60% in case of the ulna. But when you try to put the nail inside the humerus or femur or tibia, when you use the 2 nail, at that time you try to cover the 80% of the canal diameter. So in this case, after calculating the nail, after calculating this diameter, isthmus diameter, you try to put the nail size of the try to cover the nail with the nail is 60% of the diameter. Okay. So our film zoom is 100%. So you can calculate straightforward. So what we have calculated, the isthmus diameter is about 3.5 mm. So and we have to cover the 60% of the canal. So what we do is 3.5 to 60%, and it comes to be around 2.1. Okay. So the nail size, the diameter is about 2 mm. So similarly, we have to calculate the differently in case of the ulna, and if in case of the femur, you have to cover the 80%. At that time, you have to do the same formula. You apply the same formula, and you have to put by 80 by 100, and whatever the nail size comes, you have to divide by 2 to put the two different nail in that case. Thank you very much.